In this video, I am going to show you how to add a subscribe button to your videos using CapCut on PC. Let's dive right in. First method, green screen. Make sure your video is ready in CapCut. Drag the green screen subscribe button onto your timeline, overlaying it on your video. You can find green screen subscribe button animations on platforms like Pexels or Pixabay. Check the link in the description to access them. Click on the overlay, go to the Remove BG option, and select Chroma Key. Choose the green color and adjust the intensity until the green disappears. Now you can resize and reposition the subscribe button anywhere on your video. For the second method, go to the stickers section. Search for subscribe. Choose one you like and add it to the timeline. Adjust the size and position as needed. Now let's move on to the third method using a black background subscribe button. Add the black background subscribe button to your timeline at the end of the video. Go to the Transition tab, search for Black Fade, then drag and drop the black fade transition between the two clips. Adjust the duration as needed. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.